So this is wax that they're drawing out. And you can see, so like this one's making a little more nectar than that one. You can kind of see where it's wet at. All right, so here's a frame that this is all nectar in here. So they're starting to fill that one up. And down on this side, there's a bunch of eggs down in there. You can see where the queen laid. Yep. And then this is all nectar that they're bringing in off of the flowers. There might be a shake in this one, huh, Carlos?
Yeah, it sure looks like it.
So if you shake this, a lot of times the nectar will come out of it. You see that looks like water?
Oh,
That's the actual nectar that they haven't dried down yet.
huh.
Yeah, yeah. This one has a pretty good shake on it. You can eat it just like that.